need a retest down here, and you're good to move up to 17,400, which is a technical target out of all this pattern that you have right there. So moving back to Solana, that's the question. Can we find a probably some sort of a push to the upside or not? That's something that I would like to see. But if I judge Solana for what Solana is actually doing, then I think this was your support level. You had one here, you had the break to the downside, went for the dirty retest, and you're still looking to continue lower. I haven't changed my views, and I'm going to dive into the weekly time frame once again. It's still the same story as 2 days ago. We are sitting at 13.44, and probably to me this is the market maker of building the position to drop lower. So listen to the psychological part of this, because you need to know the psychological part of a trading concept, that when you want to drop things down, you pump it first. The reason you pump it is because everyone loves green candle. Everyone loves green candle. Green makes you feel safe. It makes you feel like you are protected. Actually, in crypto, it's the opposite. Greens are not for buying. Greens are meant for selling. Remember that. Remember this, and you're going to be good. The greens are not for buying. They're for selling. Reds are for buying. Look at the red down here. Probably a buying zone. But the thing is that you need to also consider so many things like patterns and whatnot. You have this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's your neckline right over there. You broke the neckline. You backtested the neckline. Its technical target is down at $4. That's the problem you have. Number two is you went down. You made a bear flag. You broke down the bear flag. You retested the bear flag. You can get rejected here. Maybe next week make a wick up. Maybe even go to, $15, $16 with a wick, and then after that move down. So that's something I can even expect. And that's pretty much it for this Solana update. I still remain with my views down at 4.22, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.